Hey guys, good to see you. My friend Terry is back here. He wanted to say hi to everyone. Um, anyways, there he is saying hi. We are going to be working on some exponential growth and percent-based exponential growth. So, looking at the three graphs, which one of those is exponential growth? Okay. And in the comments, write, how do you know it's exponential growth? Perfect. Yeah, so A is exponential growth, and the reason we know that is because, well, C is linear. It's going up that constant rate of change, and B is decreasing, so it's not C or B. And A is starting off to increasing slowly and then quickly goes up. So A would be our exponential growth. Here, of these three rules, A, B, or C, which one is the rule that is going to show us exponential growth? Yeah, so looking at this first one, this is linear. We have our slope and our intercept, so that is linear. This one down here at the end, C, it has a 2 as the exponent, and we don't want an exponent of 2. We want an exponent of x. So that tells us that B is our correct answer, and A and C are incorrect. So we want to look for that exponent. Remember, it's called exponential functions. Um, so that's there. And then this one, what do each of these words mean? What does double mean? Triple and quadruple. Yeah, you should have double means to times by 2 times 2. Triple is times 3, and quadruple is times 4. Okay. We have been talking about exponential growth. And so here, of these two numbers, which number is our starter? So you should have 3 as our starter, which makes what number our multiplier? The 4 is the multiplier. So if I were to start my table here at 0, what would be the number that went with the 0? Yeah, you should have the 3 there. And how am I going to get my next number? We're going to multiply, that's not a good color, multiply by 4, which is 12. And the next one is multiply by 4 to give us 48. Okay, so that one's just simple exponential growth. Notice our multiplier was a whole number. Whenever we're doing a whole number, it means that we are multiplying by just a simple exponential growth function. Our table is also getting bigger as we go down from 3 to 12 to 48. Okay. The other thing we talked about was if our multiplier or if our changer was a percentage. So if I were to make a situation for this one, I would say I started off with 3 gray hairs, and every year it quadrupled. Okay, so that would be multiplying by 4. But what if I said that it was not quadrupling, but it was increasing by 4%? If 4% was my If 4% is my changer, how much it changes by 4%, then what do I want to multiply? What's my multiplier going to be? Multiplier. What is my multiplier going to be? Yeah, so the steps you want to do for that is, remember, we're going to take our decimal and move it 2 spaces to the left. Decimal. 2 spaces, 1, 2. And then we're going to add 1. So for 4%, we are going to go bloop, bloop. And notice I have a hole here, so I'm going to fill that with a 0, and then I want to add the 1. So it was a changer of 4%, but I want to multiply by 1.04 if I'm making a table or a graph. Okay, so with the following, can you convert each of these into what their multiplier is going to be? So 13% is going to turn into, awesome, 1.13. 6.7%, perfect, 1.067. 5%, awesome, 1.05. Oh, I got cat hair on my face. 20%, 1.2. So those are how we change our percents into multipliers. All right, so next question I'm going to have, next question I'm going to have for you. Where did it go? Put it over here. Bring that back here. Hopefully you guys can see that now. Is if we had 60 aliens and each hour their population increased by 17%. So what is our starter? Should be 60. And then what are we going to multiply by? So we should be multiplying by 1.17. We move the decimal twice to the left and add a 1. So it's 1.17. So we're starting here at 60. And what do I need to multiply by? 1.17. I'm going to take my handy dandy calculator, go 60 times 1.17, and I get, oopsies, 70.2. And then we're going to get times 1.1, oopsies, wrong button, times 1.17, is 82. Oh, goodness gracious, what is happening? 82.1, and so on and so forth. And then, so given this information, a starter of 60 and a changer of, or a multiplier of 1.17, what's our rule going to be? Y equals 60 times, parentheses, 1.17 to the x. Perfect. All right, that's kind of the big pieces. Actually, no, it's not. One more piece here. Where did it go down to? Lost it. Well, we'll talk about it tomorrow. So just to refresh, we want to take our multiplier or our percent, move the decimal twice, and add a 1 to get what our multiplier is. So that's it. Kind of a short one. Hope you guys are having a good day. Talk to you later. Bye.